Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'll show you how to put the device into factory mode. Now to get started, you want to hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to then hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. So you're going to hold both of those keys till you see the ULEFONE logo, at which point you will let go only of the power key. There we go, so let go of the power, keep holding volume down. And there we go, we are now into factory mode. So in here you will need to use a volume down key to navigate to the menu, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And you can run some tests here, either manual or automatic ones. View the test reports, run debug test, clear eMMC, which is basically a factory reset of the device, and also version, which just gives you information about the device, and here the reboot option, which will allow us to leave this mode right here. So I'm going to stick with the reboot, and once it's selected, press power key to confirm whatever you have selected, and voila, it's now rebooting and going back to the Android. Okay, and as you can see, the process is now finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.